Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a recovery plan. Create a restore point and back up any unsaved work so you can revert if needed. Once done, identify the exact GPU model and current driver version in Device Manager so you get the correct package. Next, download the latest official driver from the GPU vendor and the Display Driver Uninstaller tool. These two files let you replace drivers cleanly. Make sure Windows updates are paused while you prepare to avoid automatic reinstalls. Now you perform the critical clean uninstall. First, reboot into safe mode so the system can't lock driver files. Then run and choose GPU vendor removal. This purges drivers, leftover files, and registry entries that cause recurring crashes. After the completes, restart normally and install the downloaded driver using the vendor installer's custom or clean install option to avoid carrying over corrupt settings. Make sure to reboot again and verify the driver version matches the one you downloaded. This prevents finish by validating stability. Run a GPU stress test or play a demanding scene for 15 to 30 minutes and watch for driver resets. If problems persist, make small changes. Update motherboard chipset and BIOS, adjust Windows TDR timeout or power management for the GPU, and try an earlier driver build. If crashes continue, check hardware, test the PSU, reset power cables and the GPU, or move to another PCIe slot. If nothing works, use your restore point and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.